good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing very, very well. So what is question today? So today question is why Python is essential for data science. Why is it? Python is essential for data science. Why? Python is essential for data science due to its versatility, rich ecosystem of libraries and easy of learning. Popular libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplot make data manipulation, analysis, and visualization efficient. Additionally, tools like Jupyter Notebooks facilitate interactive and collaborative data exploration. Python's extensive support for machine learning framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Okay, further cements its role in data science, enabling the development and deployment of advanced models. Its open source nature, large community, and broad industry adoption make Python a foundational language for data scientists. That's why Python is a very, very essential for data science. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you really like my video, then please click on like button. Thank you so much.